Since medieval era, Dubrovnik has flourished on trade and skilled diplomacy by the name of Dubrovnik Republic. Severely damaged by 1667 earthquake and the Independence War in 1990s, Dubrovnik survived the disasters. Dubrovnik Old City is one of the best preserved fortification complexes in Europe. The 1,940-meter-long walls encompass 5 forts, 16 towers and bastions. On the forts and gates of the wall, the statues of Saint Blaise are easily found, who saved Dubrovnik from the attack of the Venetian Republic in 792. UNESCO listed the whole of Old City in 1979 and St. Blaise Festival in 2009 as World Heritage. The first records of Lokrum Island date back to 1023, mentioning it as the venue of the foundation of a Benedictine abbey and monastery. Legend has it that after a shipwreck on his way back from the crusade in Palestine, Richard the Lionheart found a shelter on this island in 1192. As a sign of gratitude that should he be saved, he made a vow to build a church in the place he came ashore. Upon the request of the Dubrovnikan people, he provided money to continue building the cathedral within the city. In 1839, Maximilian von Habsburg bought this island to build his summer residence with a magnificent garden and promenade. Lokrum Island, 10-minute boat ride far from Old City Harbor, is also known as the Island of Love with a nude beach. In 1963, Lokrum Island was declared a natural reserve, and in 1976, a special forestry reserve.